With words and hands, we can build and destroy, but we have the power to choose between the two, and we choose to build so that we can be productive. Angikubingelele ngiphinze ngikwemukele mbukeli elihlelweni lakho Tandla Nenkhondlo lokubingelela kongufortunate Mabuza. Njengehlala indaka embukeli elihlelweni lethu sidawe sinaye Sonkhondlo wakhona la ekhaya Eswatini kanye nalo wenda umsebenzi weTandla. Bayasicocela kabanti ke mbukeli ukuthi lokhu labakwendako bakwenda bakususe laphi futhi yini sizathu sekuthi bakwende. Sitawucala ngaye ke mbukeli Sonkhondlo wethu wanamuhla lokungidede the poet utasicocela kabanti ukuthi uma sikhuluma ngaDeath the poet sikhuluma ngabani utawuphinda sichazele ke mbukeli ukuthi inhlobo yini yedinkondlo yena lati hayako. Babukele emakhaya la lengikhona khona ngina Dede the poet utasicocela ukuthi Dede ungubani ufika nje kulokuthi noma ngidede the poet utasitshela kabanti ukuthi uze ufika kuleyo title noma i-title noma kuyi-tagline angadi kahle but utasichazela babukele emakhaya angasori ngichubeka nganza nginaye ke Dede la utasichazela ukuthi uma ngikhuluma nawe Dede the poet ungubani kahle.
Libito lami ngingusiphiwo Dlamini lekudalwa lelo. Then ngekule poetry industry ngingidede the poet. Of which ke Dede ligama lami nalo lelo lekukhula. Then I opted ukuthi ngisebenzise libe ligama lami nalala kule industry yebunkondlo. So poetry ngayiqala way back ku 2012. Yes, I was doing Form 4. Ngekuba ke neshisekelo yekukhuluma nesive or ngithi iyouth lengangami lokuthi ibe bantu laba khuthele ekuphileni impilo le kahle le positive. So that is why ukhanza ukuthi ekhambeni kwemalanga ngagcine sengile poet le leyazuthi iyashumayela kana shumayeli but ke ngezingisi ngingathi I am a transformational poet. Yabo, I transform souls through poetry.
Okay, uqala le poetry nje usitwa ngubani ngoba uyasho ukuthi okay well boko sesesikolweni usitwa ngubani?
Ikakhulu kati ke bantu babangisita mina bekuba kuya kulama events e-poetry. Khanza ukuthi ke teacher club ke kune event lekhona bentiwa abo Rooted Souls lokakatheni. Besiya kuvela lapho sibuke so kubukela lapho Sonkhondlo labadzala kunami noma labasahamba endlela cishe libangane lelidze kunami. Lokho ngiko into bengikhuthaza kakhulu. So ya ngasho kanjalo nje ukuthi labo Sonkhondlo labala kangwane labe bakhona embe kwethu ngibo laba basikhuthaza ukuthi sihambe endlela nathi.
Okay, ekubeni uqale ke kujoyina bona ubhalelwa ngibani ke wena lethi Nenkhondlo ufika kanjani ekhayeni Nenkhondlo kahle?
Tinkondlo ke sizivele bengitibhalela. Naye ngiyadibhalela futhi. Ngoba kimi kulikhulu kakhulu kuhaya tinkondlo tebantu. So konke ngiyadibhalela ngoba lento ukudzinga ichamukelanga kuwe ngekhathi uyifile lento. So mina ke ngiloko bengwena bengitibhalela tinkondlo ngitifundzela mina but ke ngikuthola inspiration from labanye bosonkondlo labadzala.
Okay, now ubhala nje inkondlo usuku uinspireshwa yini ukuthi ungaze ufike nje ekutheni uyabhala ubhala ngana ngumuntu. What is it that inspires you ukubhala about that certain topic kuleyo nkondlo?
Nawuna ngile kahle nje inkondlo tami le nje ikhuluma ngepurpose lenye ikhuluma ngensinziso. So khanza ukuthi nginakalo ukuthi kudzinga sente ini yabona nje ngabe umuntu omusha ngifuna ukuthi aphile impilo le focused vele lapho kudzinga ngibhale inkondlo lekhuluma ngepurpose lethide. So nyalo nje mina into le engifaka kakhulu umdlalo wokubhala ngekuthi ke ngithini ngibuke lempilo siyiphilako ngithi okay kulamalanga siphila kanje Trust kudzika ngibhale ke ngenkondlo lene sifundiso or lene subject lethi we need to focus purpose we should live a purposeful life. So lapho ke ngiyabhala vele ngibhala ngipoem yami into ba ipoem lihambelana nekuphila impilo lene ushile legacy if I may say. We are raising the standard, erasing the different misconceptions evolving around Christians as lazy. We are conceptualizing the truest idea of God having blessed the works of our hands. We are working with our hands, having the work worked by our hands to be blessed because God has said it. He has blessed the works of our hands. So just in case you have been thinking about yourself that are you good enough? Are you fit enough to impact the souls with what God has given you? Well, let me tell you now that you are enough. You have always been enough. In fact, you are more than enough, with an added potential to be far better than you are now. You yourself, you are a gift from God given to us, man. You yourself, you are more than enough. You are the perfect resemblance of God that happened to be on planet Earth for a purpose. Now that you are here, you are God's perfect resemblance. Your presence needs to be felt. Let your flavor be tasted, for you are the salt of the earth. Give the taste of yourself to us. This is your time. This is your moment to shine. Shine your light. Rise and shine, for your light has come. Let us draw near to you, for your light is bright enough to brighten us all. This is your time. This is your moment. Let your presence be felt, for we want you. Nobody can do you. Nobody can sing your song the way you do. Nobody can speak with your rhythm the way you do. Nobody can smile with your shine the way you do. Just do you. You yourself, you are a gift from God given to us, man. You yourself, you are an assignment from God to the entire earth. Go ye therefore and do yourself. This is your time. This is your moment. Let your presence be felt. You yourself, you are a gift from God given to us, mankind. So be kind to us and give us more of you. This is your time. This is your moment to be freakingly unforgettable and unreplaceable. So be the tool to do the right thing. Be the device to diffuse and infuse love to people. This is your time. This is your moment. Let your presence be felt. You know, this is the exact time you were called for. Given a chance to listen to your biography whilst you lay peaceful in your coffin, what exactly would you want the people to say about you? Most often times, it is not what we leave to them that matters. It is what we leave inside them that completely matters. So let tomorrow never exist in your vocabulary of taking actions. Today is the definite day, and tomorrow is never promised to us. This is your time. This is your moment. Let your presence be felt.
Okay, kule minyaka lengaka nje wenda i-poetry. Utibona ukuphi asithi in 5 years when it comes to i-poetry?
Liqiniso lithi in 5 years angathi ngizabe ngikuphi. But ke ngiyathi ukuthi ngizabe ngikashane naloko engikhona khona nyalo. Mhlawumbe ke kangwane ngizabe sengiphumile. Ngithi sengihambela abanye emave, but vele ngizabe ngikashane, but ngizabe solokula kangwane.
Okay, so kunanaba ke bosonkhondlo labasacatfuta nebakithi noma ke loyo asithi maybe ufunza kubo primary uyathanda kubhala but akade ukuthi nakasuka kulokubhala kwakhe utawusuka aye kuphi. Ungathini kuloyo muntu? Are you willing to help labanye bami noma nje ukuthi no, mina ngifaka isilver lining nginayi-title yami ekubangidede the poet?
Well, lengakusho lapho ngiloko ukuthi umuntu kuze ngathole ngithi kuthiwa subject matter. So once you find the subject matter lo bhala ngako, ubese kuba lula lokumasarisha ukuthi ngiyadzinga ngipho ngi-reciter because lento ibese nayo la kuyangena, so iya-resonate la kuwe. So ngeke ngize ngithini mina ngoba i-poetry kukhulu lokuyifundisa umuntu. Ayifana nesikwele ukuthi sifundza i-literature, but ke lento lento kusukela kuwe kukushise wena kufanele nentshumayelo or verse. Yabo lento kusukela kuwe kukushise bese ngikhane ke ukuthi nawo sofuna ke ukukhelela abanye abantu ngako. So yeah, you need to have like self motivation. Ungisonkhondlo lomncane noma lomdzala. And then after that so akhona lo ukuthi lo lokubhalako kukunikele lo mdlandla nalamagunya ekuma phambi kwabantu ukukhulume lokho noma ukufunze noma research la kungafundi somewhere. Yeah, good lokunye ngaphandle kokuthi utimisele utitshele wena ukuthi I can do this and do it. Meaning I am open I am willing to help people, provide them maybe my platforms, because I do even in my events. I can do that. But I can try, but good khona.
As-ke umuntu lotifundisako like i-poetry ube self motivated. Kukhona yini bamfu labasitakalako ngaleti nkondlo takho lotihaya?
Kakhulu banengi sonkuthi ngeke uze ucollecte idatha yabantu ureference ukuthi loya naloya kufana noShumayela Sontweni. Bantu Sontweni iShumayela iyabasita baningi kakhulu, but ke angeke uze wabone because baningi be ababaleki labantu.
Okay. Yeah, bamfuna ngiyabona ukuthi bayasitakala. Usitwa ngibani ke wena, who motivates you now ukuthi uqhubeke nepoetry yakho?
Lokhu ke ngiyakusho phesi ngahle kuvakala ngwazi ukuthi akukho, but ke kukhona. Mina into le yayingifaka amandla kakhulu liBhayibheli, because kisho tonke tinkondlo tami tigcile kakhulu ekuthenini impilo yomuntu ibe ngilehlobile, ibe ngile clean. So siyathi ke ukuthi nafuna kuphila impilo lehlobile le clean, kuzeka impilo yakho ihambelane uthini uNkulunkulu evini lakhe. In as much as singashumayeli, but nje uyathi ukuthi luthando lokho eBhayibhelini, right? Ikhona imali eBhayibhelini. Ikhona konke, like kukhona nje konke eBhayibhelini. So if mina ngikhuluma ngethando nyalo, I know exactly ukuthi lithi iBhayibheli ngethando. So I do exactly what the Bible instructs me to do, but in relevant to that kind of subject into engikhuluma ngayo. So ngasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu neBhayibheli ngithandaza.
Okay.
Ngaphandle kokuthi mhlawumbe ke bakhona vele labanye basenkondlo ke labangimotivateako nami la eveni lakithi naseveni labomakhelwane eSouth Africa, and nangaphesheya ke vele bakhona. Nganginawo lamathe ekuchaza lelichaza ladlalile simakadze lakudalile konke lakudalile kuyagucuka kephabuka solo umile ngusimakadze ngeyakhe inthando uthanzile kusithanza wasithanza wasithukulula ekuthanzelweni imandla esono akukabi ngetithukuthuku tethu kude kuthi kungetiuba khona lotithuka sekatishaya sifuba kube lithuba lalivulele noma ngabe ngubani ngoba Jesu ungulesibane lesikhanyisela noma ngabe ngubani ngeyakhe inthando uthanzile kusithanza wasithukulula ekuthanzelweni imandla esono ngeyami inthando ngase ngiyathanza kumthanza lo ngithanzile ngingathanzekile phela bengona ngiqhubeke noma ngibonile sengonile ingani phela umusa wakhe awupheli wanele bonke bantu kuye alukho luntu ngeyakhe inthando uthanzile kusithanza wasithukulule ekuthanzelweni imandla esono asengikhulume ngalolu thando kutawukhululeka naba lababona ukuthi inthambo seyingcono kunalolu thando ayikhona sikhulekeni kutawukhululeka abantu ngeyami inthando ngithanzile kuyibhala lenkondlo leyasukumisa sigodlo semazulu lomdala longaphezulu wathi bathe wabhavumula hawu ngubani lona lohaya lenkondlo lengenta ngibe haya thine phela saphuma enhlitiyweni ngicela ningizweni thina abantu sakhiwa ngaphakathi enhliziyweni awubantu bakithi bendisacela ukuthetha nganduthando endilifumene ndizokufumbathisa uzulufumane phela uThixo ndimthanda nyanyani ngeyami inthando ngithanzile kumthanza lo ngithanzile ngingathanzekile phela nguye lo wangenyula nginuka wangibuka ngeluthando wangigeza ngeyakhe ingadi ngingadi yangabadi bese ngifele esonweni kuta esontweni nje bese kuyinjwayelo kepha ngeyakhe inthando wangigeza wangihlambulula esonweni yingako sengingulohlambulukile nasesontweni ngeyakhe inthando uthanzile kusithanza wasithanza wasihlambulula ekuthanzelweni imandla esono ingako ke mhla sengiyakhile yami indlu yemaphupho ami libala ngalihlobisa ngalo lonke luhlobo lwemhlobiso ngekhathi ngayifaka lemhlophe yelihlobo ifurniture kulawa ami mabala kuyochubeka kungene kunyathele lonke luhlobo lwelibala phela mina ngingilehlobo lelingakhethi mabala nami ngiyafuna kubala ngithi lo nalo bakhululwa ngime esonweni angithi sine singile hlobo lelingakhethi mabala.
So who is your favorite poet ke? Asithi internationally bese sike sesiyabuya nala ekhaya eSwatini.
Well le USA sina Ezekiel lo under Passion for Christ movement. Nguye Sonkondlo loyo ngathi ngibuke kuye kakhulu. Bese ke siyabuya nala eSouth Africa. Sinaye Vusmuzi phakathi. Bese ke nala kithi kangwane Nkosi yami baningana. But nje umuntu lengambita nyalo ngithi nguye lo ngathi uyamotivator ngo the last man. Yeah.
Okay. Now okay, now uyababala US, South Africa nangala ekhaya. So kunanaba ke dede labafisa ukungenela ipoetry ungathini ngibo nje sesigcina?
Inhlanhla lenhle songokuthi ipoetry awingenele. Lokho kufana nelibito. Yabo, ukuzivela endvo yakubita nje ngoyegasa negasa. Siyathi kusinebantu lebathandako kuba bafundisi. Yabo khanze hayi nami sengifundisi ngusindwa but khanze incumbi yababa kabitwa. Nalana kuyafanana nalana khona nje bosonkondlo hayi mina love poetry I want to be a poet or a poetess. Khanze ukuthi lento ayikho la kuwe. So ke ngingasho mina ukuthi mangabe le poetry Nkosi yami ikubitile vele. Sabela ke libito. Usijoyine le ndlela iyahambeka. Kona vele ikhunyana. Ngoba incumbi yethu yana sesifuna lama platforms webhayisa khona le sithola le recognition. But ke le ndlela iqala lapha. Iqala lokuthi unganawa umuntu abantu bangakwadi until utakhe wena ufike to the point whereby utagcina so recognizable or so recognized, of which you need to work. You have to write, you have to recite, you have to rehearse, like do all those kind of things, like study, read a lot.
Alright, ngiyathemba ukuthi babukeli nalabo labafisa kuba ama poets in the near future bayadi ukuthi nyalo sengimele baqale la kuze bakhona kufika ekubeni nabo kuthiwe ngibani the poet nami nje sengiyabona kusethiwa Fortune the poet.
Yeah.
So sivile mbukeli ekhaya Tete the poet asicocela kabaningi ukuthi ufika njani ekubeni ipoet. Ngiyathemba mbukeli ukuthi kuningi lokufundzile kuye futhi angeke uzugcine ngekuthi uenjoy inkondlo takhe, but now you will take that certain step here ukuthi when there's something elikhono lonalo asiqhubeke mbukeli nalo lihlelo. So hayi kwavakala Tete the poet ke mbukeli ngethemba ukuthi kuningi lokufundzile kuye futhi nawu ngabe uyafisa kuba nguye Sonkondlo sodawati ukuthi no ukhona Tete ngingamthinza and unaye utawukhona ukukusita. Sitawuchubeka naloko elihlelo mbukeli siye kuye egcinekile dladla lo wenda umsebenzi weTandla lo mangalisako endawona emacici kanye nako kwegaba lo tawuthi nakubuka nambukeli uthi hayi no lokho akwendiwa la eveni lase Eswatini kopha kwendiwa eveni labo makhelwane. Kepha ke mbukeli angacithi sona sikhathi utibonele lo msebenzi lo muhle lo mangalisako lo wendiwa nguye egcinekile dladla. Gcinekile dladla wenda emacici nekwekugaba ensanyeni kanye nasetandleni asebenzisa boziphu kanye nemayadi lasalako nakuthungwa timphahla. Lo msebenzi uwenda ngetandla takhe hayi umshina. Waqala kutendela yena emacici kanye nekwekugaba ngekuhamba kwesikhathi. Wase uyabona ukuthi lokhu la kwendako kungamngenisela imali. Wase ucala kukhicitela nalabanye. Imikhicito yakhe uyithengisela emalandelas eDala Art Gallery.
Kusho ukuthi angaya eMalkens le malandela complex yakhona kunesitolo kuthiwa iDala Spaces. So ngilapho ngade thola khona letinto tamendile.
Bamfula basha nalabo labafise kwenda umsebenzi weTandla lo wendiwa ngugcinekile. Abangakhathateki njengobe imali ingadzingeki kangako uma ucala lebhizinisi.
Ngathi nje it's passion, ngifuna ngabe ithanda. Ngiyekuhlala ungayendi. Ngoba la ngihamba la drobheni emehlo ami ayabuka umfunje lokugcoka inecklace sengiyibuka nje. Uthi ngabe bayende njani. Lapho ngifika la endlini ngiyadadatela ngiyabuka ukuthi iphume indlu ngijabule. Lokhu kuhlungu ke ngizakuhleka bambana lokhu kuhlungu nasengiyendile le mfana ngiyithandayo sebayayithenga buhlungu ngalokuthi le mfana ngiyende ngoba ngiyayithanda.
I-COVID-19 iphatamise lokuningi kufaka ekhathi kuthengisa lemikhicito, kepha gcinekile wayitfola indlela yekuthi achubeke athengise imikhicito yakhe. Emakhasimende akhe ayeda nema-designs lafunwa ngiwo, bese gcinekile uyawendela ngendlela lejabulisako. Luthando kanye nekutimisela ngiwo lokumfundzise lo msebenti weTandla lomuhle lawendako. Wagcine sekavule ngisho inkampani yakhe i-Adorable Accessories. I-COVID-19 iphatamise kakhulu kuthengiswa kwemikhicito yabosomabhizinisi labancane, kepha kunendlela lenye yekuthengisa lefaka ekhatsi Facebook na Instagram. Lokungulenye indlela lesetjentiswa nguye gcinekile kuthengisa imikhicito yakhe. Mbukeli, nginazo lithemba futhi nginaso isiqiniseko sokuthi cha elihlelo namuhla kuniki lokufunzile futhi awukagcini ngekufundza nje kuphela, ngepha le Nenkhondlo takho naloyo msebenzi wakho weTandla losolubekile soda ukhokhela ngephandle ukuthi nalabanye bakhone kuwubona. Sihlushwa ngiso sikhathi mbukeli, ngithathe lelithuba ukuthi ngikuvalelise sidawubonana elihlelweni ngalokutako. Goodbye and God bless.